Hello friends, I hope you remember how to solve this inequality as I explained in my previous video. However, that method is not very convenient. So in this video, I will give another method to solve this inequality. So let us go ahead. Uh, Now I am keeping the variable term on the left itself, and I take 5 also to the left side. Now if I take minus 3 common, left side is nothing special about this step. This is the basic process of solving any equation. Now if I want to eliminate this minus 3 from the inequality, I have to remember that I will be dividing both sides by minus 3, so sign of inequality will reverse. So 0 upon minus 3 stays 0, and sign reverses because it was negative quantity that we had transferred from multiplication to division. Now I will take LCM. Arrive at this step. In the next step, I can take 4 common in the numerator. Four can be eliminated from both the sides, positive quantity, so won't change the sign of inequation. Now what to do? Basically, I have to decide the values of x for which expression is positive. Now, if we have an expression involving two variables, if both the variables are positive, the expression will be positive, or if both the variables are negative, again the expression will be positive. So I will first consider case 1. X minus 1 should be greater than 0, and 4x minus 5 is also greater than 0. Then my expression will be greater than 0, which gives me this is greater than 1 and x is greater than 5 by 4. Representing these two inequalities on number line, I will arrive at the common solution, which says x must be greater than 5 by 4. By common solution, I mean the values of x which satisfy this as well as this inequality. So case 1, which assumed numerator as well as denominator to be positive, gives me this solution for x. Now if I assume numerator as well as denominator to be negative, still my inequality will be satisfied. So consider case 2, numerator is negative as well as denominator is negative, which implies x is less than 1 and 4x is less than 5. And both of these together gives me x must be less than 1. So I had two basic cases. Case 1 gave me x greater than 5 by 4. Case 2 gave me x is less than 1. So final solution for the inequality comes out to be x is less than 1 or x is greater than 5 by 4. In coming videos, I will explain the general procedure to identify sign of various expressions. I intentionally started with the most basic of the principles because sometimes teacher gives directly the final result and students are unable to follow the logic behind the steps. So in future videos, I will be giving uh, various results that you can use directly in solving the linear inequalities. Thanks for watching. Hope it is helpful.